welcome back to my channel, Trendy Suryakantam. It's me, Hasini. It has been a long time since I've uploaded videos, and today, because of my test, and today I'm back with another video, which is my brother's shopping, birthday decoration, party, or a kind of vlog, whatever you think. You know, it is my brother's birthday. We came here for decoration items, and you know what we are looking for? Gifts. What we came here to look for, and what are we looking right now? We are looking for showcase items. Does any one of you do like this? Came here for one thing and buying unnecessary things. Over here my brother liked many flowers, but we didn't bought it. And see what I'm doing here. I'm seeing this crystal swan, and my brother bought something. It's unnecessary to think about this. Other than we came here for a decoration. See what my brother is looking. Is it necessary for a birthday? Just you only think. Is it necessary for a birthday? It's completely unnecessary. Over here, a staff member came and said that you shouldn't touch it because as it is glass and if it fall down, it would break. Over here, there are different kinds of things. And my brother is liked many flowers. And over here, he's checking toys. He likes cars. Over here, finally we came here to balloon sections, and we are buying different colors of balloons and etc. We bought black, gold and white. So we almost completed the shopping, and we bought these gold hangings kind of things, and we are putting into the trolley. My brother, see, boomerang, playing with a boomerang. So we completed the shopping, and now we are returning to home. It has been almost 2 hours, and we completed the shopping after 2 hours. My brother is so excited, and he can't express his feelings. He's so excited. So the next morning my pinny came, and I almost blew half of the balloons, and the other half my mother, my brother. It was a lot of hard work, and mainly the golden balloon. It was so hard to blow, and I was like, ugh, I can't do this anymore. Oh my god. We forgot the air blower, and my mouth was literally paining, and I couldn't take it anymore, and I left there. And then my brother and my mother at last completed blowing all the balloons. We are enjoying the party, kind of enjoying with the balloons. And the blue shirt one is my cousin. He's also enjoying right there. So we just completed only just hanging the golden color hangings, and my brother is, oh my god, he can't tell what he's doing. He's crazy. I'm playing with my aunt. So over here only half of the decoration is completed, and my brother is holding right there. I am giving the balloons to my aunt so that she could put it more easily and faster. Seeing me, my sister also came, and she is also doing. My father and my grandfather just came from work, and they are eating. It's almost 2 or 3 o'clock, and it's late lunch. Over here it's almost done, and my brother is doing the decoration for himself. My sister, she's from morning they are hardworking, and it's so tired. The complete look is this. My cousins are really enjoying, and the decoration is super. I like it really well, and my brother is also liking it. My cousin is playing, and see who is here. Bye. He slept from morning, and see, he's chewing on a coconut with the shell. See how he's showing. It's it's like laziness overloaded. If anyone in your house is like this, on a hardworking day, on a busy day like this, just comment down below. And see, he's giving it to my brother to eat. He's also laughing and see, completely lazy. So leave about my Baba. Every birthday he's like that only, always lazy. So over here we are enjoying a lot, and my brother, many relatives and his friends called him from India, and he's talking for them on video call and FaceTime. And they are giving many showers of blessings and wishes too. He's also telling thank you, and he's like so he over here is still talking to them. My mom asked him to take some photos, and while talking itself he took some photos. And over here I gave him a surprising gift. He likes gifts, and the gift is a smartwatch. He is literally so happy for getting this gift. And see his expression and see his happiness in the face. At that moment, he didn't even care about the decoration, the cake and all. The only thing which is in his mind is the watch. When will he open it? When will he fix it? When will he put it on his hand? That only was his focus. See how much rush he was in, and he didn't think about where he was. He was literally sitting on the floor, and he was in a complete rush. And he was really happy about my gift, and I even like that. He finally fixed it and he put it into his hand. He's really excited and can't even imagine his own happiness. So he's happy, and that's what he's showing the watch. He said that it's very nice and he likes it really well. Okay, so see over here, my Babai snatches the watch from my brother's hand, and he tries to put it on his hand, but my brother doesn't allow it. He also snatches back from my Babai's hand, and he goes away from there. So we are also ready. We came here for the cake cutting. Isn't the cake nice? As it was his 9th birthday, even the cake came as 9. So we are giving poses for the photos, and my mother is fixing the frame for the photo. And don't mind even if the camera shakes. So my mother is checking for the frame of the photos. Since there were more balloons, a bunch of balloons, and because of the table, the room length became a bit small, and it was a bit hard to take the photos. Finally, we kind of adjusted the frame of the photos, and we kind of took some photos to get the background, nice photos. And over here, he is so excited. We were eagerly waiting for eating the cake, and when will he cut it and all. And we took some photos while sitting and some other photos while standing. While we child gang were taking photos, a big adult came here to take photos. And why need of adult? And I just pushed her away. I pushed her from here because only we child gang wanted to take some photos, and why need of an adult? As I said that, see how many adults came. My father, my rabbi, my grandfather. Oh my God! And what will we do then? We also took photos. Whatever. It's time for cake cutting. After clicking photos, many photos, my mother is taking the video whereas my Pinny is taking the photos. My grandfathers, my grandmothers, aunts, uncles called from India and they are watching this party through video call. Oh, so over here my mother also came to take photos. So my Pinny is handling the photos and videos. So this is my brother is taking cutting the cake. So you also wish with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So I hope you wished him. So now what it would be, my brother cutted the cake and it would be only like eating the cake and making others eat the cake and telling the wishes, and from the elders he's getting blessings and all. So over here my brother is making me eat. Actually he's a bit OCD person, so he's like putting a bit distance from the mouth. Not only like he doesn't think like brother, sister, cousins, nothing like that. Only he's OCD a little bit. In this hurry-burry like decorating the background and decorating the cake, we forgot the spoon, so we had to put it with the hand only. See my OCD brother, how he's putting the cake. It's so funny. So my Pinny, she's putting with the knife itself and she put the cake on my brother's face. It's a bit fun. Birthday is fun only, right? So over here my mother and father is there and they're giving blessings. So we are taking photos. So I just went, and now comes the gift part, another gift, which is a surprise and my brother doesn't know. It is a car gift. And my sister bought it for him especially, and she knows that he likes red color and he likes cars, so she bought a gift and he was really surprised, the second surprise, and he didn't even though like he didn't came out from that excitement of that watch itself, and then again another surprise. Oh my god, he's so excited. And so he opened it right away and he's taking for scissors and he opened it. He said thank you very much and he took some photos with it too. Not only like cars and all, but he likes many crazy things. And over here we bought this popper to blast it while cake cutting. But we forgot in that hurry-burry, and my brother, as I said before, he likes these crazy things also, so he said that I will do it, and my brother took it and put it on top of himself. So over here what we were doing is that me and my aunt were like fighting really crazily for like I will take photos first, and finally my Pinny took the photos first. See our crazy things. It's crazy photos. And see my crazy brother right there. He do you know what he does? He collects the papers, the popped papers, and he collects all of that and throws up in the air and tells that, see guys, he collects all of that and throw it in the air and tells, happy birthday to myself. He does like that again and again. So these are some of the photos. So that's it guys, that's it for today's vlog type of party of my brothers. We enjoyed a lot, we sang, we danced, and we did after that more. So these are some photos which I took. So bye bye guys, see you in my next video.